everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I am going to sort, organize, and declutter this large Ziploc bag full of Christmas supplies that I picked up recently at a yard sale. This whole bag was only $1. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sort it into 3 different piles. One pile that I'm going to keep, another pile that I'm going to redonate, and another pile for giveaway to the kids that my daughter babysits in the neighborhood for. I have not peeked inside this bag, so I'm very curious of how much stuff I'll actually be keeping for my craft room versus what I'm going to get rid of, but for $1, I'm sure I'll find something worth $1 in here. I think what I'm going to do is set this big bag to the side and pull stuff out of it. Here we have ornament kit. I think I'm going to put this for the babysitting kit. Here are some magnets. This is still new in the package. I'm going to put this with my Happy Mail. So if I do a Christmas swap, I will use this. And we have, looks like a couple of these play packs. And they have the crayons and the coloring book and the stickers. And there's 2 of these. So these I'm going to put in the kids pile. We have a small baggie of pom-poms. So this is also going to go in my Happy Mail. Here are some little felt stockings. I will use these in my Christmas stash, so I'm going to keep those. This is another ornament kit, so I'm putting that to go. This is a brand new jar with the chalkboard lid. It is glass. I'm going to keep this. I'll probably put this up on one of my shelves. Looks like a magnetic S. I'm not sure what that's for, so we'll leave that over there. Here we have some glitter. I do use glitter, so I will put this in my glitter stash. Some more felt stockings. Since I already have one, I'm going to put this with my Happy Mail. Some more glitter. Let's see what this is. This is a foam glitter kit. This is another kid activity, so I'm going to put that back here for the kids. And we have some snowman ornaments. This is already opened and it looks like it's kind of used. Just pitch the rest, so this is going to be in like a to go through. Here's another one of those Santa. I'll put this with the kids pile. This is a cute dollar spot reindeer tag. I'm going to just take it out of the packaging and get rid of that right away. This is putting that in my to keep pile. Here we have a bag of pom-poms. I'm going to get rid of the pipe cleaners that are in here, and then the rest I'm going to put with my Happy Mail. Here's another random letter. Some ribbon. I'm going to get that in the trash. Here is a big bag of snowflakes. I will keep these. I'm going to keep these for now, but I'll repackage them for sure. Here we have a ornament, and I'm going to keep that in my stash. Here is a wooden Santa. I am undecided if this is something I want to paint. This looks like some flower tape, and I have a small box for floral, so I will put this in that box. These are decorate your own gift box. That's pretty cute. They are little reindeers. I'm going to keep these. These are fun. I did just go through my Happy Mail drawer, and I have these really cute curtains, and this would go really cute on there, so I'm going to keep those. 2 more jars, so that makes 3. These are cute. These are the felt finger puppets, but I am going to put them for the little kid. These are the same. These are little felt ones. I'm going to put those for the kids. This just looks like miscellaneous pieces. I'm going to put this in the trash. These look like felt pieces. I'm going to put these in the trash as well. We have some mini present garland. What I think I'm going to do is cut these off of the string and use them for Happy Mail decorations. I'm gonna put this in my to do something else with. This looks like they were making the reindeer clothespins. I am just going to redonate this. I wouldn't use this. This is trash. We have some more wooden pieces, a couple more letters. Okay, so this says snow. I wouldn't use this, so I'm just going to go ahead and redonate these. This is a big jingle bell. I'll just put that in my stash. Trim. This is really thick cording. I'm going to redonate this. It's too thick for me, and I have so much ribbon. I don't actually need anything like that. Some of these snowflakes, I'm going to redonate those. That's the bag empty. Inside of it, I'm going to put all of these kits for the kids in there. My pile of trash, my pile of redonate, my keep pile are the jars, the glass ornament, the Happy Mail packaging, and actually all of this is for Happy Mail. And I'm going to keep the stickers to make the reindeer boxes, the glitters, the jingle bell, and these. Alright, so I think that that was definitely a great score for $1, and I'm going to take care of all the rest of the items and get them out of my craft room right away. That way when Christmas rolls around, all of this stuff will be neat and tidy and where it belongs. Alright guys, thanks so much. Have a great day.